Do you feel like your marketing analytics has become unreliable? I know this can be frustrating, but don't blame your tools yet. It might be just missing content. You probably tried to fix it by tweaking campaigns, rebuilding audiences, or switching attribution models, and none of it works. When the content signals never make it through. Apple cut tracking, IAB announced TCF 2.3, ad networks are adapting. That's the real disruption. Conversions slip, retargeting dries up, revenue per user dips for no reason. Sounds familiar? It feels random because the data your tools need never arrives. When your content string is missing or invalid, partners shift everything into restricted mode. That cuts match rates, cuts personalization, cuts eCPMs. In some cases, they stop serving ads. Your analytics don't break, they go blind. I know this fix looks simple from the outside, but most marketers don't realize it's the missing piece. A proper app CMP creates the TCF 2.3 content string that every major partner now expects. That one layer restores structure to your data pipeline. Once that's in place, everything downstream stabilizes. Match rates rise, eCPMs improve, campaigns stop guessing. If you've been wondering why nothing in your dashboard behaves logically, this might be why. For small teams, this matters. You don't get luxury of wasted ad spend or half-working analytics. Consent Mode V2 affects your reporting, segmentation, and bidding. If your consent layer fails, everything else follows. Think of it like this. Without consent, you are paying for traffic you cannot measure or monetize correctly. With it, you reclaim visibility. You get clean data. You get decisions that make sense again. Usercentrics App CMP gives you what that layer should have had from day one. Certified consent, TCF 2.3 support, Google Consent Mode V2, UI options that do not annoy your users, automatic localization, a clean signal your stack understands. So, if you are looking at the dashboards and nothing adds up, stop diagnosing symptoms. Fix the root cause. Repair consent. Then watch the rest of your stack start working again, as they should. Start your free trial of Usercentrics App CMP. It's the simplest way to restore the data you need to do your job properly.